subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be uploading more videos about Hawaii real estate and my life in Hawaii.
Aloha, this is Minyong. I'm a licensed real estate broker in Hawaii. I'm an official member of HBR and NAR. My friends call me Minyong. I'm also the mother of 2 cats, Potato and Sweet Potato. And this is Lanikai in Kailua. Lanikai has frequently been ranked as one of the top 10 most beautiful beaches in the world. It is also a popular spot for many water activities. Mokuloa Islands sit about a mile off the coast of Lanikai Beach and can be accessed by kayak, paddleboard, and swimming. Let me show you the home. This beautiful home has its own private gate. Extra security is always a plus. As soon as you walk in, there's a beautiful garden with a waterfall. Do you hear the water? The water sound is always very relaxing. Please walk with me. I'll give you a quick walkthrough of the first floor. This home is 4-bed, 3-bath, 2-story home, which is approximately 3,300 square feet on a 7,100 square feet lot. And look at this turquoise water in front of your home. You can enjoy daily water sports right outside of this house. Don't forget there is a jacuzzi for your relaxation which overlooks the ocean. The living room has a very open feeling and lots of space. There's a central AC and a ceiling fan which can help with temperature control. Next is the kitchen. They're custom-made high-end appliances. And look at this view. It is truly spectacular. High-end appliances include a sub-zero refrigerator and a Wolf oven. The best feature about the dining room is of course the clear ocean view, which can be enjoyed with every meal. We're now walking to the media room. This room isn't just for watching your favorite movie. You can also use it as an entertainment room. You can enjoy quality time with your friends and guests. Here's the guest room facing the garden side. Having a room on the first floor makes it easy to accommodate elders. It is easily accessible to the outside. And this is the guest bathroom on the first floor. When you have guests over, they have all they need on the first floor. That way, the owners can keep their rooms private and guests can also have their own area too. The house is 2 stories. This high ceiling makes this home look even bigger and more open. There's a skylight where you can see the night stars. Let's go upstairs. The second level has 3 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Here is a primary bedroom. As you walk into the primary bedroom, you're greeted by this amazing turquoise color of the ocean. And you can hear the calming ocean waves. It is very relaxing here. The round-shaped wall is unique and different compared to most homes. The primary bathroom has a shower, a tub, and 2 sinks. I love how this bathroom is island themed. Let's walk over to the other rooms. The primary and second bedroom are separated by a small hallway. The second bedroom has a similar layout as the primary bedroom, but is just a bit smaller. Both bedrooms are very bright from the natural sunlight reflecting from Lanikai Ocean. Third bedroom on the second floor faces the garden side of the house. There's a bathroom which can be shared by second bedroom and third bedroom. This is a hallway between the primary and second bedroom. You can use it as a home office or small home cafe. Let's take a closer look at the lanai. This is the lanai on the second floor. Both the primary bedroom and the second bedroom are connected by a lanai where you can feel the nice ocean breeze. There's an outdoor space on each floor, so if you want fresh air, it is just one window away. It offers nice ocean breeze. It is an awesome place for meditation. Thank you for touring this great home with me. The home has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and was remodeled in 2009. It is located directly across from Mokulua Island, ocean access, oceanfront, and the perfect place to enjoy any ocean activity. It is one of the best oceanfront valley homes in Lanikai. My name is Min. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Mahalo. If you have any questions regarding Hawaii real estate, please contact me at any time.